Hello guys! Over the last 2 decades, families have seen the cost of college tuition skyrocket. Private schools are often much more expensive than public schools and can cost up to $60,000 in tuition and fees for a single academic year. So in today's video, we are going to show you the top 5 most expensive universities in USA. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and click notification all for more amazing facts. And do leave a comment "I subscribed" in the comment section below and we will definitely reply your comment. Let's begin. Number 5. Amherst College. Amherst College is a private institution that was founded in 1821. It has a total undergraduate enrollment of 1,839. Its setting is rural, and the campus size is 1,000 acres. It utilizes a semester-based academic calendar. Amherst College ranking in the 2021 edition of Best Colleges is National Liberal Arts College No. 2. Its tuition and fees are up to $60,890. Amherst College, located in Amherst, Massachusetts, is known for its rigorous academic climate. Amherst is a member of the 5 Colleges Consortium, which also includes Smith, Mount Holyoke, Hampshire, and University of Massachusetts in Amherst. Students may take courses at any of these colleges. Amherst offers more than 100 student organizations. The college banned fraternities in 1984. Amherst claims to have the oldest athletics program in the nation, along with the 3rd oldest football field. The Amherst Mammoths participate in NCAA Division III sports in the New England Small College Athletic Conference. The school is also part of the unofficial Little III Athletic Conference with William and Wesleyan, which has lasted more than 100 years. Freshmen are required to live on campus in one of the 7 resident halls. Amherst College has a total undergraduate enrollment of 1,839, with a gender distribution of 50% male students and 50% female students. At this school, 98% of students live in college-owned, operated, and/or affiliated housing, and 2% of students live off campus. In sports, Amherst College is part of the NCAA 3. At Amherst College, 57% of full-time undergraduates receive some kind of need-based financial aid, and the average need-based scholarship or grant award is $57,760. Number 4. Vassar College. Vassar College is a private institution that was founded in 1861. It has a total undergraduate enrollment of 2,441. Its setting is suburban, and the campus size is 1,000 acres. It utilizes a semester-based academic calendar. Vassar College's ranking in 2021 edition of Best Colleges and National Liberal Arts Colleges No. 13. Its tuition and fees are $60,930. Vassar is located in Poughkeepsie, New York, in the scenic Hudson Valley, 75 miles north of New York City. At Vassar, students can get involved with more than 100 student organizations on campus, including the Vassar Night Owls, one of the nation's oldest continuing all-female a cappella groups. Vassar does not have fraternities or sororities. The Vassar Brewers compete in NCAA Division III varsity sports in the Liberty League. The Vassar Kidditch team, known as the Butterbeer Brewers, competes against other colleges in the sport from the Harry Potter novels. Vassar is a residential college and freshmen are required to live on campus. The school guarantees housing for all 4 years and 98% of students live in the 9 residence halls and apartments. Vassar College has a total undergraduate enrollment of 2,441 with a gender distribution of 41% male students and 59% female students. At this school, 97% of students live in college-owned, operated, or affiliated housing and 3% students live off campus. In sports, Vassar College is part of the NCAA 3, and Vassar College, 60% of full-time undergraduates receive some kind of need-based financial aid, and the average need-based scholarship or grant award is $50,451. Number 3. Franklin and Marshall College. Franklin and Marshall College is a private institution that was formed in 1787. It has a total undergraduate enrollment of 2,315. Its setting is a city and the campus size is 200 acres. It utilizes a semester-based academic calendar. Franklin and Marshall College's ranking in the 2021 edition of Best Colleges is National Liberal Arts Colleges, number 43. Its tuition and fees are $61,062. More than 200 years ago, Benjamin Franklin donated 200 English pounds to start the school now known as Franklin and Marshall College in Lancaster, PA. These days, the institution is a well-regarded liberal arts college home to top-notch research and innovative student programming. One unique component of life at the F&M student is the Harry Potter-esque living situation. All first-year students are assigned to one of the 5 college houses, known as Bonchek, Brooks, Wise, New, and Ware. Each house is overseen by faculty members called dons and prefects. In each college house, students live together, share meals, and plan and attend events. First-year students must live in their college house. Sophomores, juniors, and seniors can choose to as well. In addition to activities through the college houses, students can choose from roughly 90 clubs and organizations, including nearly a dozen fraternities and sororities. At Franklin and Marshall College, 55% of full-time undergraduates receive some kind of need-based financial aid, and the average need-based scholarship or grant award is $49,637. Number 2. Kenyon College. Kenyon College is a private institution that was formed in 1824. It has a total undergraduate enrollment of 1,747. Its setting is rural, and the campus size is 1,000 acres. It utilizes a semester-based academic calendar. Kenyon College's ranking in the 2021 edition of Best Colleges is National Liberal Arts Colleges number 28. Its tuition and fees are $61,100. In Gambier, Ohio, it's hard to tell where Kenyon College campus stops and the small downtown begins. The hilly campus of the Liberal Arts College runs into the town's quaint shops, and the main walkaway campus middle path intersects downtown. On campus, there are more than 120 student clubs and organizations, including a dozen fraternities and sororities. The Kenyon student body has slightly more female than males. The freshmen must live in common residential area. Students are allowed to bring televisions to their dorm rooms, but freshmen' rooms do not have cable. Then most upper-class students' rooms don't either. A third of students play on varsity Lords and Ladies sports team, which compete in the NCAA Division III North Coast Athletic Conference. Kenyon College has a total undergraduate enrollment of 1,747, with a gender distribution of 45% male students and 55% female students. At this school, 99% of the students live in college-owned, operated, and affiliated housing, and 1% of students live off campus. In sports, Kenyon College is part of the NCAA 3. At Kenyon College, 44% of full-time undergraduates receive some kind of need-based financial aid, and the average need-based scholarship or grant award is $43,767. Number 1. Columbia University. Columbia University is a private institution that was founded in 1754. It has a total undergraduate enrollment of 6,245. Its setting is urban, and the campus size is 36 acres. It utilizes a semester-based academic calendar. Columbia University's ranking in the 2021 edition of Best Colleges is National Universities number 3. Its tuition and fees are $64,380. Located in New York City, Columbia has 3 undergraduate schools, Columbia College and the Fu Foundation School of Engineering and Applied Science, and the School of General Studies, as well as a number of graduate and professional schools, including the highly ranked Business School, Teachers College, Law School, and College of Physicians and Surgeons. The university also has well-regarded College of Dental Medicine and Graduate Journalism School. Columbia offers a range of student activities, including 28 Greek chapters, and more than 90% of students live on campus. Columbia is affiliated with Barnard College for Women, the Union Theological Seminary, and the Jewish Theological Seminary of America. Distinguished alumni including John Ray, founding father and first Supreme Court Chief Justice, and former President Barack Obama. Columbia also administers the Pulitzer's Prizes. Prospective first-year students can apply to Columbia using the Common Application. At Columbia University, 50% of full-time undergraduates receive some kind of need-based financial aid, and the average need-based scholarship or grant award is $59,297. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today's video. I'll be back with some more mind-blowing facts in the next video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon and click notification all for more awesome facts and stories. Thanks for watching. Bye.